Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best LED headlight on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Actka LED Headlight. The Actka LED headlight is a revolutionary automotive lighting solution that offers exceptional brightness and clarity on the road. With an operating voltage range of DC 9 to 36 V, it provides consistent illumination and is designed to handle extreme temperatures from -40 degrees centigrade to +140 degrees centigrade. The headlight's 6000 K color temperature creates natural white light, enhancing visibility and reducing eye strain during night driving. Its impressive 520,000 lumen output outshines traditional halogen bulbs. The all-in-one design with a cooling fan ensures efficient heat dissipation. The headlight also features a CAN bus function for compatibility with the vehicle's electrical system. With a system life exceeding 100,000 hours, it is dust and waterproof and compatible with 90% of car models. Number 4. Carlotech LED Headlight. Carlotech LED headlights are a revolutionary solution for drivers looking to improve their driving experience. With an impressive 800,000 lumens per pair, these headlights provide enhanced visibility and safety even in dark conditions. They offer a powerful 1000 W per pair, making them energy efficient and long-lasting. Operating at 12 V, they are compatible with both 12V and 24V vehicles and have a stunning color temperature of 6000 K. The 8580 LED CSP chip ensures optimal light output and a prolonged lifespan. These headlights can handle extreme weather conditions from -40 degrees centigrade to +150 degrees centigrade. They offer versatile options for high and low beam configurations and have an impressive lifespan of over 50,000 hours. They are compatible with CAN bus and EMC systems, making installation hassle-free. Number 3. Driverized LED Headlight. The driverized LED headlights are a stylish and efficient upgrade for your car's headlights. They are compatible with various car brands and models, providing a powerful 1000 W and 300,000 LM of luminous output. The headlights offer a clear 6000 K color temperature, reducing eye strain during night driving. Operating at 12 V, they have a remarkable lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Driverize, a trusted brand from mainland China, comes with a 2-year warranty for quality and durability. The headlights are equipped with CSP chips for optimal performance. Each bulb weighs 0.25 kilograms, making them easy to install and compatible with various socket types. They are waterproof and CAN bus compatible, with CAN bus technology preventing error messages and no radio interference. The headlights are available in 2 color temperatures, 4300 K and 6000 K, to suit your preference and driving conditions. Number 2. Philips LED Headlight. Philips LED Headlight, specifically the Ultinon Rally 3551 LED, offers a solution for drivers struggling to see clearly on the road at night or in adverse weather conditions. With a maximum power output of 50 W per bulb and 100 W per pair, it provides unparalleled brightness, reducing glare and ensuring safety. The headlight emits a crisp, white light with a color temperature of up to 6500 Kelvin, enhancing visibility and adding a touch of modernity to your vehicle's appearance. The Philips LED headlight is a plug-and-play solution, eliminating the need for complex installations or expensive modifications. The brand is known for its reliable quality, ensuring the product can withstand the test of time and daily driving. Philips also offers a 2-year warranty for peace of mind in case of any issues. Number 1. Heimbizd LED Headlight. The Heimbizd LED headlights are a powerful and user-friendly upgrade to your vehicle's lighting system. They offer an impressive 220,000 lumens per pair, superior heat dissipation, easy installation, advanced heat management, non-polarity design, decoding function, quick start, exceptional durability, extended service life, intelligent temperature control, adjustable chuck, plus 1200% brightness, wide voltage range, crisp 6000 K white light, and premium LED chips. The headlights are designed to withstand harsh conditions with an IP68 waterproof and dustproof rating and an extended service life of 100,000 hours. The intelligent temperature control system adjusts current in real time, reducing the risk of dead lights and ensuring a longer lifespan. The adjustable chuck allows for customization of light shape, and the headlights are compatible with a wide voltage range of DC 9 to 36 volts. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.